Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Thanks for stopping by. Today we're back at Eric's. We're going to be here for a few videos. We got some work to do on his truck. We're going to be doing a third brake light, and we're also going to be doing a switch. So we're going to do a how-to video on that. The third brake light's super simple. We're going to be doing the headlight switch and the dimmer switch because his dimmer switch isn't working properly. So we're going to take care of that today for you guys. Very simple video, very simple process, and let's just get at it. We've got a Recon brake light here. I'll leave a link in the description below. I'm a big fan of these. I know their customer service isn't the best. I know there's a lot of hate out there for these guys because of that. But when it comes down to brake lights, I've had plenty of them on my truck, and they don't fade. The LEDs work for a good long time. It's a really good product for the price you pay versus doing eBay ones or Amazon ones, and just trust me on this, you'll be happy to go with the Recon third brake light. You just got two Phillips screws right here. Obviously right now this is what we've got. It's kind of just an eBay one. This isn't factory at all. You know that from looking at it. So I'm interested to see what we're gonna go and what we're gonna look at when we open this up. The Go Recon one's really nice. It comes with just a factory harness, a plug. It's very simple, and then it also comes with your resistor with some 3M backing that you can tape it up and tape it out of the way so that you don't cause any fires, because these do get really hot. Yeah. This is what we're looking at. This is what we got from the old owner. I'm assuming, I'm not exactly sure where this came from. Like I said before, I'm sure it's an eBay headlight. It's actually in pretty decent shape. I'm actually surprised by the quality of it. It's a lot better quality than I've seen of any eBay headlights. But here it is. You got your factory harness coming through the roof. You'll unplug that. Here is your resistor. Now this is what I was talking with. I don't like the fact that this one didn't come with that 3M and it was just kind of laying in there. You know, if he would have thrown this back in over here by this insulation, it probably would have melted this insulation and stuff like that. So it's really nice that this comes with a good 3M backing, that you can get it up and out of the way. I personally am going to put it probably right up in here. So that right there is where I put my resistor. And then simply just plug your connector back in here. I'm doing this one-handed, so it's kind of a pain. There we go. It fits in there just like that. Now the reason why we went with black with red versus the red one is just because it's really nice to have that contrasting color. When our back windows are so dark, it's really nice to have that black third brake light, or smoke. Now I'm in the cab and I have Eric hit the brake lights, and then I'm going to have him hit the cab button for the cab lights. Now the cab lights aren't really that bright, but they never really are. It is what it is because now it's a smoked headlight. So now it all works properly. You're good. Again, that's what the finished product looks like. I'm very happy with it. Eric's pretty happy with it. It's just a nice contrast to the back window. Simple project. But now we're gonna go ahead. I'm gonna show you the part number for the headlight switch, dimmer switch, and then we're gonna go ahead and show you how to install that and make sure it's super simple, you guys. It really is. So stay tuned for that. Here is your GM part number, AC Delco. This was actually bought off Amazon. Just right there, that's exactly what you're gonna need. I'll leave a link for the description for this below as well. All right, so sorry for the lighting. I didn't bring my light to light it up in here a little bit, but anyways, first thing we gotta do is we gotta hit the dash off. You gotta put it down all the way down to 1, the steering wheel. The shifter down to 1. So you can pop this off. It's really that simple. And then you're gonna go ahead, you can put, obviously now you can put the truck back in park now that you got everything exposed. All right, so what you're gonna do here is you're gonna go ahead and you have 2 flathead screwdrivers. There's some tabs on the bottom, some tabs on the top. You basically just pry them out and you just wiggle the thing out. It's really that simple. And on the back side, it's just one connector. You unplug that connector and boom. Here is the new one, all nice and fancy for you guys. Super simple to install. I cannot make this up. You can obviously see connector back in and slider back in. All right, so it's really that simple, you guys. The third brake light install, you know, the dimmer switch with the headlight switch. Honestly, anything that you have to do within your dash when it comes to any type of switches, they're all very simple. GM makes all their lighting simple to do. They make all their switches simple to do. Seriously, guys, don't take this in to get it done because it's very simple to do it yourself. Good thing there are videos like this. There's other videos out there, whether you watch mine or somebody else's videos. It makes life very simple and really easy to work on. That's why I'm a big fan of these trucks. I don't know what they were thinking when they went to newer vehicles, you know, making everything so much harder to take apart. GM, seriously, when it comes to your dash, if you need to take your dash apart, it's all clips. All their lighting is usually a Phillips screwdriver, or the front headlights are just a pin. It's very simple to work on these trucks, and that's why I enjoy working on them. So thank you guys for stopping by. Go ahead and hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. If you're already subscribed, please hit that bell button so you get those notifications. Again, thank you for all the support, and we'll see you in the next one.